Hi everyone, and welcome to the screencast for May 28th, Memorial Day. Hope you all have had a great long weekend, and even with the heat, you've been able to get outside a little bit. Schedule for the week, just a few things to be aware of. We have a few different field trips coming up here. We also have I should have highlighted that, we have a lunch provided by the Boar Booms, which is a taco bar, so looking forward to that on Thursday. Be aware of that. We also have our Moving On Up Day on Friday. I'll talk a little bit more about that. And we have our variety show rehearsal also. You can see on the side here that we have our last fire drill of the year. That will be sometime this week. Hint, hint, probably earlier in the week. Phi-Ed Fun Day. Hey, I want to thank Janelle for all you did to make this a great event. It's a lot of work. Getting things set up ahead of time and getting things down. There were also a lot of different staff that helped out in many different ways to help Janelle and make it great. So I know our kids loved it. It was a great experience, even with the heat and the shortened amount of time. Thank you very much, Janelle. It was great. Thinking a little bit about end of year stuff. I believe we have a staff party at Mr. Claypack's house on June 7th. Looking forward to that. On Friday, June 8th at 11:30, we will meet in our cafeteria and have a lunch provided by the PTA. We'll celebrate the end of the year and recognize staff who are leaving. And just to make sure everybody knows this, all staff are invited to these events. So if you can make it, we would love to see you. All right. Moving on, update on this Friday at 9:15. Why are we doing this? Helps decrease student anxiety about what's happening for the next year. It's a way to just talk in generalities about some of the exciting things that will be happening in a grade level. So how is this going to work? 9:15. Please have your students lined up and set to go in your classroom. Support staff that are available, myself, John, Stacy, Miriam, Michelle, we will help move those kids to the next grade. And then you have the opportunity to talk as a grade level with those kids. And then at 9:45, we'll reverse the process. Come by, pick up your kids, bring them back to you. A lot of times, grade levels like to meet as one grade and talk about it all together. Some grade levels choose just to have classes go into individual classrooms instead of as a group. Just let me know where you want students to go. So if you let us know, we'll make sure those students get to you and then bring them back at the end. And it's always exciting for those fifth graders to get back to kindergarten. And I know our kindergarten teachers have some fun stuff for them too. So moving on, update on Friday at 9:15. All right, just a few other quick review things. Remember your class lists to keep working on those. Every once in a while, we're seeing some mistakes in those. Must be the person that put those lists together, me. So if you see some things that aren't making sense, shoot me an email or talk to the appropriate people, because we're doing our best to make those as good as we can. Just a review on energy and how that works, and remember that we want those complete by next Monday. So keep that in mind and keep working on that. Upcoming events, crossed off a couple here, and we have on Friday our Moving On Up Day, Monday our variety show at 1 p.m., and then we have our graduation ceremony on June 7th. So things are coming together. That's all I have. Hope you have a great rest of the weekend, and that you had a great Memorial weekend. See y'all soon on Tuesday. Take care, everyone.